How to fix Instagram comments not showing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve missing comments on Instagram. First, check your internet connection and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. A weak connection can prevent comments from loading properly. After that, pull down to refresh the post and see if the comments appear after a fresh reload. From there, go to your recent apps by tapping the Recent Apps button at the bottom of your screen. At this point, find Instagram and swipe it away to completely close the app. In the next step, reopen Instagram and check if comments are now showing. Following this, if they are still not visible, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once done, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From here, tap on Settings. At this stage, tap on Comments. After this, go through the comment filters and make sure no keyword blocks or filters are turned on that could be hiding comments from appearing. Once completed, if the issue still persists, go back to your home screen and long press on the Instagram icon. Following that, tap the Info or I button to go to App Info. From there, tap on Storage. After tapping Storage, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files. Finally, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then Confirm. Reopen Instagram and your comments should now be showing correctly. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you fix your comments not showing, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.